Hello kids, how are you all? Children, today we are going to learn lowercase letter z, that is the small letter z. So quickly let's see what we are going to learn today. So children, today as I told you all, we will be learning small letter z. Small letter z. Small letter z is also known as lowercase letter z or baby letter z. Now we will see capital and small letter z. This is capital letter Z, also called as mama letter Z. And this is baby letter Z, also known as small letter Z. Now let us see the phonic sound of Z. What does Z says? What is the sound of Z? Z says Z, Z. Z says Z, Z. Now let us see vocabularies of letter Z. What is this? This is zip. Z for zip. Z for zip. Ooh, what is this? So many animals in this. What is it called? Zoo. Z for zoo. Now, which animal is this? It is having black and white stripes on it. Which animal is this? This is zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes on its body. What is this? Zigzag, zigzag. This is Z for zigzag. What is this? This is Z for zigzag. Now what is this? It is zero. Z for zero. So children, we are done with we have seen some vocabularies of Z. Now we will be doing the writing part of letter Z, small letter Z. Take out your My Alphabet Friends book, and before writing, we will be doing one pre-writing activity. So children, in this I have taken one paper and I have written capital letter Z and small letter Z, mama letter Z and baby letter Z. Z says Z, Z. Okay, now what we have to do is we just have to run our fingers on this pattern of Z and we have to see how we can write Z. Let us start with capital letter Z. First we have to do the slipping line from here. Slipping line, stop. Then we have to do one slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, stop. Now again one slipping line. Slipping line and capital letter Z is done. Again we will repeat it. Slipping line, slanting line and again slipping line. Now same way we have to write small letter Z. How will we write? Yes, first we will do slipping line, slanting line and again slipping line. Slipping line, slanting line, again slipping line. We will repeat this once again. We'll start it with capital letter Z. Run your fingers from here. Start, start, stop. Start, 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 stop. Start, start, stop. Again, start from here. Slipping line, start, 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 stop. Slanting line now. Start, 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 stop. And again start for the slipping line. Start and start, start, start and stop. So this way our letter Z is written. We will do one more activity. In this activity, we will be requiring some sand or salt. If you have at home, you can use that also. We just have to trace the letter Z in this. How did we start our letter Z? We started with slipping line, right? So we will do one slipping line. Slipping line. Slipping line. Then what we did? Slanting line, right? Slanting line and again one slipping line. Again I'll trace in this only. Slipping line, slanting line and slipping line. So children, try this activity for any alphabets you want to start it with. It would be much more easier for you. Now let's start writing in our books. So children, remove your page number 32 and page number 33. What can we all see in page number 32? You all have to do tracing of letter Z. So let us start doing that. Remember children, you all have to write in between the two blue lines only. Okay? So let us start tracing. Start from the first blue line. Trace a slipping line on the blue line. Then a slanting line starting from the blue line and touching the second blue line. And then start doing the slipping line on the second blue line. Your Z is formed. Let us do it once again. Slipping line from the first blue line, slanting line touching to the second blue line and one slipping line again. One more time, slipping line, slanting line and slipping line. So our Z is done. Now go to page number 33. In that you all have to write Z without any dots. Now how will we write that? Remember again, write only between the two blue lines. Start from the first blue line, make a slipping line, go down making a slanting line and touch the second blue line. Then again slipping line on the second blue line. One more time, slipping line, slanting line and again slipping line. One more time, slipping line from the first blue line, slanting line from first blue line to the second blue line and slipping line. So this way you all have to complete your page number 32 and page number 33. So children, today what have we learnt? We have learnt small letter Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z? Z says Z, Z. What is the phonic sound? Z says Z, Z. Children, do complete your page number 32 and 33. See you all soon in my next video. Bye-bye.